괜찮아요. 괜찮아.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! So here I would like to myself. My name is Seviana Hilya Soliha. You can call me Via. I was born in Bekasi on 28 September 2005, which meant that my current age is still 19, but son the way to 20 years old. I work in beauty salon. I live in Jati Asih, Bekasi City. I love reading, listening to music, streaming my bios video, and traveling. I come from the Betawi tribe.
Oh my god! Wow!
My favorite food is black pepper crab, and my favorite drink is matcha and coffee. My favorite color is pink and black. I have two older sisters and one young sister. That's all from myself introduced. I'll take my leave. Goodbye. Thank you guys.
Thank you